Yeah, this little boy, him just wanted to take out him next tooth that was already on the way to drop out, just for some money from daddy. Hey.
The tooth fairy, I think man say.
Be realistic. The man just wants him money.
If you take out the next one, can get those now, then could have buy chocolate.
Me say. Just make sure you don't trouble your healthy teeth. Alright? That's how it goes. That's how it goes. It doesn't go that way, Denny. You don't come and ask mommy to take out your tooth because you want some cash money. No, don't wipe him out a blanket because the blood stains.
Final stage. So
Very final.
Very final, like tomorrow.
You better ask me if I'm not done yet. No, man. Welcome, guys. So tomorrow, very early in the morning, super early, like at 5 o'clock in the morning, I have to get up. We are going to Kingston. It's going to be a very busy day. I'm super excited because tomorrow my orthodontist will remove my braces. Finally, after 2 years of wearing them, trust me ready to remove them. Fingers crossed, because we are going on the toll. I don't want to start breakdown on the toll or outside the parish where I live, because the way we set up everything in that parish where we are, me I want to give birth somewhere else. I don't want nothing to happen upon the toll, and I don't want nothing to happen in Kingston, I want to come home in peace and deal with them something next week. It's not right now in my plans, Yeah, not yet, but sometimes things, they don't go as we planned. All right, so that's why fingers are crossed tight. So tomorrow, me I roll out with my hospital suitcase. I'm coming out with it. I'm not leaving it at home. Yeah, make sure I tell Errol to empty the trunk. It a travel with me. John, me no want face start panic on, Yeah, me want to be well prepared. So I'm going to go on the road with my own things. Yeah, and let's see what tomorrow day will bring. Yeah, guys, so my doctor said, Swaggy, take it easy. Take it easy if you don't want to give birth shortly. So I just have to take it easy. Yeah, I can't say that I'm super ready, because nobody can be ready for this, for labor. Listen, labor is something unpredictable. Today at 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and how it's already shiny and sunny outside. Yeah, man. Nature woke up. Probably from 5:30 starts. Sun starts rise. Alright, but we are going on the road, guys. So we're going on the road. Wish us luck, guys. We are on Mommy Bay Toll right now. Earl is going to take the card. And in Portmore, we're gonna pay for the toll at the end of our journey. How much we don't know yet. What them say, toll rise again, the price raised.
So you remember to put the card in the door?
Yeah, please don't lose the card. Yeah, so right now it's 6:48 in the morning. Sun is shining in our window. Yeah, and we just started the toll. Let's see how long it's gonna take us to reach Portmore. As soon as we entered the toll, boom, police on the road. Yeah, man, so you can't drive fast, Well, you can drive fast, but if you have extra money. Yeah, we just obeying the rules. This part is always foggy. This part of the toll is always ever foggy, and there's another part on the toll always rainy. Like, but this probably only like morning thing, you know. We are driving average, no speeding, nothing.
I'm going 100 miles per hour.
Cars, police now, pretty regular for the toll, yeah. And maybe you can meet like three police cars on the way, yeah. And just hide, you know, hide, spreaded on the toll silently, and point them gun for your car if them see you or try something, yeah. Watcha, we in a fog. Driving in a fog. Watcha. What you saying, Danny? That's the only reason you came with us. So right now I'm gonna see how much toll going to cost us. This luxury. How much this luxury will cost us. Caymanas. You found your card? Yeah, make sure. So how much you have in a, so how much you expect to pay? Let's see. 2050. Did it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, man.
19 before.
19 before. Alright. Price is climbing. 2050 Jamaican Mama B class 1. Guys, right now we're gonna enter Kingston. Let's see how it's gonna go, cause it's always traffic. Today's working day. Traffic. Even though we done the toll within 30 something minutes, can spend more on the road just from Portmore to Kingston because of the traffic. Cause people are go work. From Portmore, from Spain. From Spain, people are go work, isn't it? Spain there. Portmore there. Everybody there in Kingston.
Tell the people about Spain. Tell them what is Spain.
Spain is Spanish now.
So how you know that?
I just learned it the other day, so them call Spanish town Spain.
Oh, you know things, brother. You don't know. I mean, you think I'm your teacher? No, I don't know how you know that, but you know.
Finally reached, and we are super early though. Good morning. Bye bye braces. I hope I'm not gonna see you again. Cause trust me, that was the whole journey, full of pain, full of discomfort, but the result is nice. I love the result still. Yeah, I don't even remember myself without it. Like, yeah, so right now, yeah, I'm gonna take it out. Guess what, guys? We just realized that Errol forgot my hospital suitcase. Ta-da! What am I gonna do if I start breakdown? Errol said he don't remember me handing over to him the hospital suitcase. I said, Errol, but I told you to take it. I said, you never gave me like yeah, so I mean, I have no hospital suitcase now with me. Ready. I can't believe today I'm gonna have to choose no color, cause me officially done. Yeah. Oh, singing, nice. I'm if say hi. I'm if sit down, right? Thank you. I made it.
Yeah. I made it is right.
Leo came to check on me. Boys came for me. Errol came. And
Mama Smartia, look at my Minecraft.
my new
Mama.
smile earstand. Ta-da! Look at me, Errol. I think it was it worth it? Like, me love it. We really love it, you know. We really love it.
Excited to drink my new
Can't stop smiling now. I'm not shy anymore. Even though I needed the braces for my health, not for, you know, beauty. But I love how it looks. I love the result. Yeah, I was a little bit insecure about my smile as well. But that wasn't the purpose. So the purpose was to fix my health. Yeah, but my jaw still kind of click, you know. But I hope it will get better as soon as I install my implant and the time of the pass. Guys, so it's 4 o'clock. We are leaving Kingston right now, straight in the traffic. I had to come back to the office, so my doctor, she installed some plastic, I don't know what them called, retainers, same plastic retainers, whatever them call it, to hold my teeth together, so I can't even talk proper. Me can't talk, you know. Yeah, it's a bother me. Right now I start count time between my contractions, cause I feel my body is getting ready, and if I'm not today, like tonight, if I'm not tonight, then tomorrow. But me have a feeling it a come, and I know that feeling. So yeah, I was celebrating taking out my braces, but this thing is more complicated than braces. Can you stop? Go strap yourself, mommy. Mommy's tired.
Put your seat back.
Daddy, can I go to Crispy?
Yeah, so I will keep a track on my body, and I will count the periods of times between my contractions, because right now they're not regular. Yeah, so we have some time. Alright, now we're going to Krispy Kreme because boys, they want Krispy Kreme. So more we done everything so on and come out. Yeah, I'm really tired and this has stressed me out. Whatever is in my mouth, the plastic, something, retainers and everything that holds my teeth together, just stress me out. My tongue, I rub my tongue, can't speak proper. Wow, boy, I'm stressed out. I don't know, either this stressed me out more than my contractions. Like, I don't know. Oh boy. Alright, let's go check it out. Let's check out what's up. Danny's leading the way, guys. You know whose idea was that? Oh boy. Alright, so yes. Huh?
Take the chocolate sprinkle one. Can I have the pink sprinkle one?
And sprinkle?
Can I have the pink sprinkle one?
Okay,
And the black and the chocolate sprinkle one.
Alright.
Jamaican
Gonna try Jamaican donuts. Gonna try Jamaican donut? Alright, good. So Krispy Kreme ready. So Krispy Kreme there for you. See it there. I reached home, guys. I reached home. So right now I'm going to the camera. Camera sweat. Well, anyway, I'm gonna hurry up. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna go to the hospital because it a come. Why boy it a come? Let's say I can't go thinking. I'm gonna have to grab my hospital bag and everything. Yeah, man. But yeah, I'm gonna be speedy because it a come. Wish me good luck, guys. Come and really do this. Like, I feel it. Alright, guys.